Alright, what's up, flawless gang? I'm back with a brand new video, and in today's video we are doing a T-part wig install. This is my first one and I'm so excited. It's from UNice, so I want to do a voiceover just to make it a little bit different, to see what type of style for wigs installs I like. So first, let's start with the bag. So it comes with some lashes, of course. They send you some gifts, and then I got me an edge control brush, this purple one. And I believe these are some earrings, if I'm not mistaken. I couldn't really tell when I first opened it, but I'm assuming they're like hoops. And then, of course, they send you a wig cap if you don't have your own. So into this wig now. This wig is so cute. It's giving Beyonce vibes. Like, definitely big Beyonce vibes in the room. So it's this super cute, highlighted, curly, blonde wig. I love it. The fit is so nice. Look at the bleaching I did on the knots. Came out so nice. I love the lace. Is very, nice as well. This is the most tight fitted wig I've ever tried, and I absolutely love it. So UNice, you hit the hammer on the nail with this wig. I love it. It's one of my favorites right now. It fits the best. It just looks the best. I love it. It's perfect for the fall. I think it's something different for me, and I absolutely fell in love with it when I tried it on and stuff. So I love this wig, and I'm just brushing back my edge. If you guys have been here for a minute, just brushing it back before I glue the wig cap. So I use the Got To Be glue in the black bottle. I think I'm going to start getting the yellow. For some reason, when I tried to use the gel gluing down the wig, it didn't work. Like, I thought I was going to be able to use it, like kind of like lace glue, make it a little tacky, glue it down. No. Child, no. It did not work. So I think I'm going to have to invest in some lace glue to get my installs more sleek and help the hairline melt and everything into my skin when I'm laying down the lace. So I think that's something I'm going to have to get very soon. I'm going to head to the beauty supply. It's really down the street, so really around the corner. I can get one whenever. But just brushing back the edges so we don't snatch them. We're trying to save the edges that we got. So I'm just slicking it back. And then we are going to get into the wig cap. So I'm just using one of the wig caps from UNice, and then I'm going to tint it with the lace tint. I've been loving this lace tint. You guys will see in the video. It is from Eben, and I use the shade medium brown. I like that shade. It's pretty accurate to my skin tone. But yeah, we're just going to lay down this wig cap, and then we're going to get into the install. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know what's going on with the video. I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of it sped up. And yeah, I'll come back in at the end, tell you guys my reviews and my thoughts, throughout the video. So stay tuned, keep watching, and watch how I install this curly, highlighted blonde wig. Yo, I had to come back on here because I was crying watching the footage, yo. Like, put it on a frontal with somebody that wear glasses that cannot see at all, like blind as a bat. It's not easy, bro. Like, I was really, real life struggling. I think frontals are, my worst favorite thing to do just because I can't see. I'm trying to put the wig cap down and try to do my ear tabs and stuff, and it's not working. Like, I had to put the glasses on and off, on and off, on and off. I can't. Girls with glasses, y'all know the struggle. Like, it is real life not easy for us out here, like, at all.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all that. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's all that. Take, won't you? Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all that. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's all that. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all that. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's all that. Take, won't you? Where'd you go?
Alright guys, I also want to come on here and ask y'all, so I feel like I'm doing these backwards. So when it comes to doing the edges, I feel like I need advice and tips on how to become better at doing the edges, because I feel like doing edges on my natural hair is so much easier because, you know, you can train your hair to slick and curl and, you know, swoop. But I feel like when it comes to wigs, like the hair is a little bit different and it's like more difficult to like do the edges. Like how can I perfect doing edges? Like I feel like that's something I want to really get better at, because I feel like the edges is the only thing I really, you know, need really, you know, big help on, because I feel like when I do the edges, I don't know how it'd be looking. Like I don't be liking it for real. But I also need to get better at you know, like cutting the lace, you know, and like laying it down. I'm open to all criticism. Like I'm very open to it. So please let me know if I'm doing it backwards. Like, should I cut the lace first and then do the edges and then spray it and then lay it down? How do I do that? Like, how do the edges look better? Like, do you like cut the lace, then lay the edges, and then, you know, wrap it? Or what? Am I doing it wrong? Let me know, please. But yeah, how do I do edges better? Because I feel like I don't do them as well as I do on my natural hair. It's really difficult, and I want to learn how to perfect this. So please help if you can.
You know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all that. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's all that. so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all right. Take you there, I'll take you. I'll show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's all right. Take, won't you? Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all right. Take you there, I'll take you. I'll show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's all right. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all right. Take you there, I'll take you. I'll show you something, give you more than words.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
Alright y'all, so I wanted to come on here and give you guys my final review on the hair. I absolutely love this hair. I love the fit and how tight it fits on the head. That's the first thing I love. It's like super secure. The lace is actually like a light tinted brown, so I think that's really nice as well. The knots bleach super easy. It does shed a little bit just because it is super, bleached and stuff, but that's common with curly hair, so do not, think it's abnormal. Of course, curly hair sheds more than straight, so just beware, but it's not shedded like it's going bald, but it just does shed a little bit when it's wet. It curls up beautifully. It takes heat well on the top to lay the top down so it's not super poofy and stuff. It was very easy to finesse it looking like a frontal. Like, it, even though it's a T-part wig, I finessed it to make it look like a frontal and put edges on both sides with the ear tabs and stuff. I love how this wig turned out. This will definitely be worn very soon. The hair is super soft. The body and the density of the hair is so nice. This is 16 inches, so this is just beautiful, perfect for the fall. If you want something different, something, fun with color, but also not super long. The shorter styles are going to be in as well. So this is a beautiful wig. Check this out. I highly recommend it. UNice is always a great option for hair. So this wig is just beautiful and I absolutely love it. Definitely one of my favorite wigs so far with all the wigs that I've done. The past couple of months, this has been one of my favorites just because I love the way it fits my head, so secure, and just the outcome of the hair. Look how nice it just curls up. I love it. Beautiful with some mousse. Girl, you're ready to step out and walk. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here. Follow me on social media. Everything is below, and check out UNice's wig will be linked below with all the details, and I will catch you guys back in my next video very soon. Bye everyone. Mwah.
And everything that you've been waiting